Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everyone. Welcome to the How To series. In this video, we are going to look at experiment Ohm's law. The objective of the experiment is to verify the Ohm's law and determine effective resistance in series combination. Now, I'm going to give you the overview of the whole procedure. First, you have to determine the resistance of each resistor based on the color code. Yes, you may freeze your video to understand resistor table color. Next, you are going to start your experiment with the series combination. After the apparatus is set up, you are going to change the resistance in the resistance box to get the minimum value of current. Next, you are going to change the resistance in the resistance box to obtain at least 5 different values of current and voltage. Look at here. From your equation, your y-axis will be V and your x-axis will be I, and the gradient will be equal to the value of effective resistance in series and parallel. Your graph is going to resemble something like this. Theoretically, you are going to have a directly proportional graph crossing the origin, but you might get a different value, but it's okay. This just gives you more room to discuss in the discussion section of your lab report. Coming to the table section of the experiment, make sure you record the uncertainties of your measurement in the measurement column. Label each column with its symbol and units. For the value that are too small or too big, write them in the standard form and don't forget to write the exponential power at the very top of the column. Now, we are going to introduce you the apparatus and the experimental setup for you.
Hello, welcome again. For our Ohm's Law experiment, we will use the direct current terminal and the voltage should be between 4 to 6 volt. This is a resistor. We have the color codes on its body and this color code will be used to determine the value of resistance. We connect these 3 resistors in series by using 2 connecting blocks. This is a screwdriver that we use to assemble the connecting blocks. We will use a DC milliammeter with the range of scale between 0 to 100 milliampere. Next, we will use a DC voltmeter. We have a switch. We have a resistor box. We will arrange the apparatus. First, we put the power supply, then the resistor box, next, the ammeter. After that, we put the resistor in series combination, and finally, the switch. After that, we connect them together starting from the DC power supply to the switch until it forms a complete circuit. Next, we connect the voltmeter in parallel position to the combination of resistor. Switch on the power supply and turn the voltage up to 4 volt. Change the value from the resistor box to determine the value of current and voltage.
Well, make sure that you have 5 sets of readings for the series and parallel combination. That is it for the video. I hope it will help with the experiment. Should you have any inquiries, consult with your practical lecturer. Thank you.